Do you want to make a grilled cheese sandwich with me? Let's go. So you want to get yourself a nice sourdough and get 2 thick slices. Butter, both sides, cheddar, Gruyere, grate. Get that into a container. Now this is optional, but I love jalapenos. Salt, lots of cracked black pepper. Mix. Put it in, butter side down. Put the lid on, greaseproof paper. So you want to put that on a low heat, weigh it down. So once that's golden brown, you're ready to flip. And now you don't need to weight it down. So now that's cooked on the other side, just get it out. Put your greaseproof paper in the bottom and a good layer of Parmesan cheese. And now just gently melt it till it goes golden brown. Get your sandwich back in. Now just let it hang for a little bit and let the cheese cool down. Now look at that. Beautiful. It's even got a crown on it. It's that good. So let's give it a try.